Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Kristin Hildabrand. She's Warren County's Extension Agent for Horticulture. Good morning, Kristin.
Good morning, Kristi.
Kristin, yesterday you made this delicious basil pesto, and if you missed it, be sure to head to our Facebook page, Living Well in Warren County, to see how she made it. Now, Kristin, what are we going to do with that basil pesto today?
Yes, I'm so excited because we got all excited making the best pesto yesterday, and so today we're going to be making a red potato salad with creamy pesto dressing. This is a nice, cool potato salad, and it also features fresh basil, which is made into the pesto, so it's got a nice little spin on it, I like to say. We're going to start with the wet ingredients first, and then we'll add it in with our potatoes. So what you're going to do, Kristi, is you're going to, in a small bowl, you're going to take about 3/4 cup of some non-fat plain Greek yogurt. And so, most of the time potato salads have mayonnaise and some other creaminess to it, but this is a nice alternative, and it's still going to have some protein, and so you won't feel bad about having this over your potatoes. So we're going to take the pesto that we made yesterday, and we're going to take about 1/2 cup. So I'm going to use this measuring cup as kind of my guide and fill it up, and I'm just going to drop that down here.
Kristin, I love that we're using the homemade pesto that we use from our fresh basil.
Yes, so good, and it's really good when you do make it fresh. You can really, but I mean, if you have it from the freezer, that's fine too. It's a great way to use it. So once you get done with the pesto, you're going to take your lemon juice. We've taken 1/2 of a lemon and we've juiced it, and then we've also used the zest on it too. So that'll be a nice flavor to that already.
I love using lemon zest. So many flavors in this potato salad, Kristin. Flavors that we don't normally see paired with your traditional potato salad.
Yes, you can season it with a little bit of salt and pepper if you want to. I seasoned mine with salt and pepper when I made my pesto yesterday, so I'm not going to worry about that. But just get this nice and incorporated. So I'm going to set this aside just for a minute. What I've done here is, everybody knows how to boil potatoes. So what I want to mention about the potatoes is that new potatoes are in season right now at the farmer's market. There's different colors or different skins of your potato. This is a red potato salad, which will contrast really well against the pesto, but I went ahead and put a little bit of some white skin potatoes in with mine. We've gone ahead and just basically cut them evenly, so that way we've got nice bite-sized pieces. I like mine a little bit on the chunky side.
I do too.
But just make sure your potatoes are good and washed, because it is a tuber type vegetable, so it does grow in the ground. So just make sure the outside has been nicely washed and stuff before you cook it. So what you're going to do is, in your large bowl, you're going to take your potatoes, which these are 2 pounds, and then you're going to take 2 boiled eggs that we went ahead and done and just kind of cut that up. So we're going to add that to our bowl here.
A little bit of protein with the hard-boiled eggs.
Exactly. And next we're going to take a medium tomato that we've already diced. So feel free to use whatever tomato that you have that's your favorite. I know I like Cherokee Purple and Brandywine, but you can find all of those available at your farmer's market. Next, we've got a little bit more color here with our red onion. We've taken 1 onion and diced that. So that will be a nice contrast to what we have going on here.
Kristin, it's so colorful, and it truly is a Kentucky Proud recipe. We can just go right down to the farmer's market, purchase all of these ingredients.
I really like homemade type salads like that. And then basically all you're going to do is just put your mixture over top of it. I'm going to get my spatula out here whenever I'm incorporating all of this together. But basically that's really it, Kristi. You just, basically what you'll do is just incorporate this. This is a potato salad that you will want to actually soak or chill in the refrigerator, because all these flavors are going to marry together. But I'm just going to give this a gentle toss so that way our viewers at home can kind of see what that's going to look like. I did put it in a big bowl because 2 pounds of potatoes is quite a bit, but there's a lot of nutrition with our potatoes. It does give you some vitamins and different minerals, also some potassium even with this potato salad as well. So, Kristi, you can kind of see what that looks like in our bowl there, but it's really better if you can chill it, for several hours and then serve it for whatever you've got coming up. So
it looks so good, Kristin. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Yes.
If you are watching and would like to try this plated up Kentucky Proud recipe, be sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching and have a great day.